What's the meaning of blurry? Blurry. Blurry.
Blurry. Blurry. The word blurry refers to something that lacks clarity or is out of focus, making it difficult to perceive or understand. A blurry image or text can be caused by a variety of factors such as low resolution, poor lighting, or shakiness during capture. Blurry vision can also be associated with certain medical conditions or the use of certain medications. When something is blurry, it can be frustrating or even dangerous, especially if it affects our ability to read or drive. To avoid blur, we often strive for sharper images and clearer vision through the use of high-quality lenses, improved lighting, and medical treatment if necessary.